Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is a short video to help all my math students understand how to do the weekly guided notes and participation. So the idea is if you're in my live class, you're attending class each week and taking notes. And if you're in my Canvas class, then you're watching the recorded video each week and taking notes as well. And to help keep you engaged in learning and also to help me see that you actually are doing the learning, attending, participating, I have guided notes as an assignment that I want you to turn in showing me what you did. So let me show you a little bit about how that works. I'm logged in here into my Algebra 1A live class, but this works again for any of my math classes. And if I come in here and click on modules, you should see an assignment that's worth 10 points for week 1 participation and guided notes. It may look a little bit different depending on my classes, but it's something that I need you to do and turn in. So let me I'm going to click on the assignment here. It's a little bit of directions for you, but what you're going to do is come in. You're going to want to open up the notes. You can actually see it down below, but I think it's better just to open them up in a separate page. And if it works, it should automatically open up your copy. You should see your initials. I'm logged in as a test student. This is your own copy of notes that you can do. So when you're ready to start answering the questions, just show me what you followed along. These are all questions that we're going to be working on or that you'll see during the lesson. So they're just simply checking to see if you knew stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and clear it out here because I already had done some answers. But there's anywhere from 5, 6, 7. There's just some points based on things we talk about in the lesson or example problems. And I want to see both. For example, number 1, what is the difference between a rational number and an integer? Give an example of each type. That's something that you could come in after watching the video or after going to class, and you could just type in your answer. The difference is a rational number can be written as a fraction, but an integer is a whole number, either positive or negative. And there you just showed me with your answer that you were paying attention, that you followed along, that you understood that point when we were talking about it in the lesson. So some of these you can just type in your answer and show me what you know. Some of these, however, are a little more in depth and involve answers, step-by-step math problems. And I want you to take a picture of your notes, how we did it. For example, number 3 says, show how we added 3 1/5 plus -4/3. In the example problem, we did that problem in class. You could type it out, but I don't want you to because it's going to be kind of a pain. I want to see that you were following along when we did in class. So to do that, you're going to insert a picture of your notes. You're going to go up at the top to insert. Click on it, it opens up a menu. You're going to insert an image, so highlight image. And we're going to insert an image by camera. You guys all have a webcam on your Chromebooks, which you can use to take snapshot images of your work. So I'm going to click on camera. You can see it opens up. There's the webcam right there. That's me. And I'm going to show you my work. So let me grab a little notebook here. I got my notes that I'm taking. I'm going to hold it so people can read it easily and click the yellow button. There you go. There's a quick snapshot of my notes. If it looks good, I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And there you can see. Make it a little bit bigger. Again, if you're looking at it on your Google Doc and you can't read it very well, then update it, make it bigger, or take a picture again so that I can read it. There you go. That's how you're going to show me that you were following on in class. I'm not looking for perfect notes. I'm not looking for super clean. There can be doodles, scratching, whatever you need to do. I just want to see evidence that you were following along with the video. And on here somewhere should follow along with what we did in class. And again, you can go back to the lesson video if you need to and rewatch things if you need help taking notes again. Once you've answered all the points, once you've gone through all the learning, you're done. So let's go back and we're going to submit this. So now you can show me in Canvas that yes, you did the notes. So go back to Canvas, back to the week 1 participation. You can see right there, any changes you make, there's that picture that I just took. Any changes you make are automatically updated in here. And when you're ready to say, here's my notes, Mr. Close, click on the submit button and it's done. You just turned it in, submitted it. You can submit it more than once. Say if you accidentally submit it or you submit it, but then there's some updates you want to do, go back and do those updates and then resubmit it and show me your notes a second time. That's what you're gonna do week by week. Again, I'm not looking for correctness. I'm just looking really fast to see that you did it and we're following along and that your answers make reasonable sense based on the lesson and you get full credit. All right, if you have any questions or any problems doing this process, let me know and we'll get them all worked out.